Hello, I am Andre Duvenage from the Risk Management Forum. Some stories do more than inform us. They change the way we see the world. At the Risk Management Forum conference on 22 July, we will hear from Abigail Smith, a survivor of human trafficking. Human trafficking is one of the world's fastest growing criminal enterprises. Reported global human trafficking income figures exceed $236 billion and illegal organ removals of trafficked victims generate around $2 billion. Abigail tells a story of extraordinary courage. After surviving human trafficking and forced into pornography, she chose not to remain silent and after her escape, struggled for years to get her traffickers arrested and for the police to register her case. Today, she helps to create awareness, support, and shares her experience to help prevent others from becoming victims. Her presentation is not only about survival. It is about resilience, it is about hope, and the responsibility we all share in recognizing and preventing exploitation. Whether you work in governance, leadership, strategy, security, risk management, law enforcement, or simply care for building safer communities, this is a presentation that will stay with you long after the conference has ended. Join us on the 22nd of July at the Emperor's Palace, Kempton Park. We look forward to welcoming you.